Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the glowing text using the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can go to this composition and new composition. And since we would like to create the glowing effect, so I prefer to choose the darker background, for example black like this, but you can also change the color that you want here and click OK. And after that you can start to put your text into this section, and for example I will type glowing like this, and you can also adjust the font. Which one do you prefer? For example this one, coiny. And I will also adjust the position of this text. And after that, if you would like to add the glowing effect here, so you can start to go to this effect and preset over here, and you can type simply glow like this and put it here. After that, this effect gonna be show you the several tools or setting, and if you'd like to try it for as the first time, so you can start to play with this radius and intensity guys. And for example, if I play with this radius and move it to the right, so it will show you the radius of the glowing effect guys. The more I move it to the right, so the area that will have the glowing effect will be more wider like this. And you can also play with the intensity too. You see that the glow intensity also being supportive or supporting the glowing effect over here. And the next thing that you can play over here is the glow and dimension. For example, this is the horizontal and vertical effect we have, which mean to the left and right, up and down, or the glowing effect surrounding this text. But if I activate this horizontal, so the glowing effect will only focus horizontally like this from the left to the right. And if I activate this vertical, so the glowing effect only surrounding up and down this text guys. And if you would like to try this preset or setting like the glow based on and threshold, you can also put it on the comment section. We would love to share comments there, and we will make the video in another version to try this glowing setting guys. So this will be the glowing text tutorial we have, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't forget to put it on the comment section. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.